Mr. Popowski, you mentioned that you would either will be or have testified before the PUC in regards to the companies that are attempting to come in.
I haven't personally testified. Our office is a party to those proceedings.
I see. Would part of your advocacy be the timing of whoever was granted that franchise? In other words, some guarantee that if they're granted the franchise that they would immediately begin the work, because it's, again, not something that people want to see further out. They want to see it now.
Well, I think the comment Mr. German made today was significant, something I hadn't actually thought of, which is it's a lot easier to build to run these lines in the spring and the summer than it is in the winter. So that's something that I will bring back to the attorneys who are working on the case, and see what we can do to make sure that this is. I mean, it has to be dealt with properly by the PUC. There are important considerations. We all know that there are safety considerations that we've seen here in Pennsylvania that are certainly important. But I did hear that point loud and clear this morning, and I'll bring that back to our folks in Harrisburg.
Thank you. The seasonal timings are obviously important, but also we need to move with this. We need to do it for a lot of reasons. It hinges on that export-import thing out of Pennsylvania, us being able to benefit from the product, the continued economic growth of this area with attracting other businesses in and so forth. And so there's just so much hinging on proving that this is something that can be done, should be done, and is important to do. So thank you for your consideration in that area.
Well, thank you.
I'll probably show my ignorance about the PUC and the interrelationship of, I don't want to step on anybody's toes like UGI or Leatherstocking or